Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Huntington debit card PIN. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Service Center. Click on Service Center. Then a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for debit and ATM cards. Under Debit and ATM cards, you will see an option for Change PIN. Click on Change PIN. Now, select the card you wish to change the PIN. After that, select the phone number for them to reach you. So since I prefer to receive a phone call from them when changing my PIN, I will be clicking on the Call Me Now button. But if you have different option from me, then click on that. If you also have the same method with me, you will receive a phone call from Huntington which will ask you the code provided below and enter it on your phone. Once you've entered it, you will be directed to the next step. Now enter the new PIN you wish to use, both on the first field and second field. Then click on the Change PIN button. That's how you change your Huntington debit card PIN. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.